Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one, the JigSaw Sudoku. News of the day, well, I've heard on TV there's a ceasefire between Israel and Lebanon. Yeah, Lebanon, Hezbollah. All right, good news. Anyway, this one will be number 9657. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16. Should be a 0 stars or a 1 star puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. For 1 star puzzle, faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, question is it a 3 stars or 0 star or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. And here, let me mark those 2 boxes. Do not know in which order. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left of the 2 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box or the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes, let me check. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left of the 2 in this area should be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. All right. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 1 shape in this puzzle that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 1 shape, figure, structure, or constructions that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape supposed to be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape supposed to be there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now for in this W area shape for numbers 1. And the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes around the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 3. This box can be 5. So the 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, but also that box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. I think this box can be a 2, can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 3 and 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. This box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 3. We have a 3 now. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 4 and a 3. Come on. Well, I had 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and the 2, 1 and 2, okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. 5. I'm stuck here. These 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, you need a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me. Here. 1, 2. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1 on the 5. I'm really stuck. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 4, 3 and a 5. How about here? 1, 2, 3, or a 5. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 1, 2. Where's the 3? Come on. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Yeah. And now. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 1 here also. This box can be 2, can be 3, can be 5. 2, 3, 5, so 1 or a 4, this box. Interesting. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here, 1, 2. And I need a 4 here, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Well. 4, 3, 5. Well, this box gonna be a 2 here. 1 and 4. 10 minutes already passed. Come on. Can this be a 2 here? No. 2, 3, 5. So 1 or a 4 here. This should be 1 or 4. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 5? 1 or 4. So here we have 1 and a 4 here. That means that this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a 1 here. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes. And can be 5. Yeah, this should be a 2 then. Mark those two boxes with 2. We have 2 now, so this can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Okay. Here also 1 and a 4. 1, 4, and a 3. Mark those two boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 and more. This box should be a 1 then. 1 or a 4. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 or a 4. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 or a 4. We have a 4 in this W area space. Should be there. 1 and a 4. We have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2, 3, need a 5, need a 4, need a 1. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 is a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers, 1, no. 3 and the 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then I need a, this box can be 4. This box, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, 3 to 5. And this should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow, we solve it again. 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.